Oh, hello there. This is the Agile Artist. Welcome to the tutorial. Today I will be speaking in a posh, rather gentlemanly accent for this video, whilst telling you how I drew this rather exquisite picture of a human skull. As you have seen, I started off by getting the shapes to form this unusual sculpture, and then I began using polychrome colors to draw the eyes, trying to make them look as though they are hollow, gradually building the colors up from very light blue to darker brown, and then easing in with very, very dark black. As I work through this, and I'm coming away from the eye socket, I've started to use lighter tones such as tan, lighter brown, and then a darker brown. Next, I started to go onto the nose, doing the same sort of thing as the eye socket, and then moving on to the next eye socket. Quite often, in a step-by-step video, I will go from being pencils, then to the coloring, and then to the detail. But in this, I decided to just work on one rather part at a time. As you can see, similar sort of thing happens as I go along. Starting with a lighter color, then putting more tones in with a darker color that is similar. It was a yellow, then a tan, and then the shading, darker brown, and then detailed with a bit of dark black. As I went along, on the outsides I used a thicker black pen to sort of make it stand out, so it really blossoms in your face. And then also add in the highlights with a Prismacolor white. As they are quite a waxy based crayon, they really work by going over the top of the polychromes. Skulls are rather unusual, aren't they? The human skull. Yes. Quite. The part I found most difficult was the teeth, as usually I would think it was quite easy to draw, but as you come to it, there's a lot of shading going on, and also the different marks and part of the dental teeth. To be honest, I don't really know what I'm saying. I'm just sort of coming out with it, winging it here. I hope you enjoy this video, as I'm trying not to be embarrassed, but I thought it'd be quite funny. Thank you for watching, and please watch till the end to see this ravishingly unbelievable picture. Or maybe it's not a very good picture. Just please let me know in the comments below. I'd be rather intrigued what you might want to say. Also, if you want me to do any other impressions of voices, please throw a suggestion. Or if you'd just like me to go back to talking normally, then yeah, that'll be fine. If you think what the hell is he talking about, talking in a posh voice, well that's okay. I'll just go back to talking in a normal voice. But I thought it'd be quite funny. Thank you for watching, and please like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you next time.